Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today I'm going to show you my brand new ESP32 project. I built my very own Tamagotchi using an ESP32-C3 featuring a setup similar to my previous project. If you are a subscriber, you already know how much I love this microcontroller. While I was working on this project, my cat ran away from home. I was incredibly upset because he's the happiest part of my life. Luckily, he came back a day later, completely exhausted. That made this project so much more meaningful to me. I was so worried while he was missing, but now he's home and safe. Anyway, let's get back to the project. Before you continue, like and share this video and hit that subscribe button. That supports growing our community and keep me motivated. As you can see, this Tamagotchi character is actually based on my cat. He is an orange cat named Tarçın. If you want to put your own pet into a Tamagotchi, I'm going to show you step by step how to make it happen. Let's dive in. What is inside? A handmade ESP32-C development board, a 1.96-inch ST7789 Display Module with a 240 by 280 resolution, 3 tactile buttons and buzzer. It's simple setup, very similar to my past episode. I put the schematic on the screen so you can follow along. The buttons use the input pull-up method, so you don't need any external resistor. The software handles that for you. I'm using my own custom display library for this. You will need to install it from my GitHub, and I have also made a separate video tutorial on how to use it. All the links you needed are down in the description. Let's move on to software. I create an easily manageable code structure for this Tamagotchi project in the Arduino IDE. Everything is modular and split up into sections like character, input, display, hardware, sprites, and so on. The source code is published on my GitHub page. It's completely open source and protected under GPL3 license, so feel free to modify and update it. If you look through the script, I actually suggest decreasing the screen resolution. To do this, you can swap out ST7789 screen for an ST7735. Decreasing the resolution gives you a huge advantage because it frees up memory to add more sprites or custom features to your Tamagotchi. In this project, everything relies on your animation. When the resolution is high, sprites take up a lot of flash memory, which means fewer images can fit in your storage. Also, the viewing area can look a bit small, even with my 90 by 90 sprites. But if you change the resolution to 160 by 128 or 128 to 128, as you can see here, the same sprites look much better on the screen. Let's talk about how you create your pixel art cat image for creating sprite. For doing this, I use Gemini AI. Even free usage can also handle this job easily. First step, I created a few more different scenarios. After that, one by one, create animation. As you can see in that. Before be sure, just be clean all image. Nobody wants. Now, let me show you how to create your own sprites. Go to this website, upload your image, and select your resolution. Choose your canvas type. If you are using RGB image like I did, just select this section here. After that, click generate and copy that output. There is one important thing you need to know. If you aren't making any major upgrades to the code and only want to change the sprites, make sure your new sprite resolution stays exactly 90 by 90. Then just paste your copied code right here.
I don't wanna think about you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. It was for tonight. I'm done with you. I'm done with you.
This is where all the sprites are stored.
I'm done with you.
If you want to customize like minigame speed, you can increase or decrease this value for speed up or slow down cat right and left move speed. Also, if you change this value, again increase or decrease, now you can change your speed ball drop. When I was creating this project, I used version of 2.3.10 of Arduino IDE and also ESP32 Boards version of 3.3.10. Project will be work under this situation without any error. Let's look at features. You can feed, sleep, play with,
Let's get lost for tonight.
and clean up after your pet. If the room gets dirty, the happiness level drops very fast, so you have to keep it clean. Furthermore, if it all starts drop to zero and energy level is empty, the cat will die. That means you have to take care of it just like a real pet. Just like a classic Tamagotchi. But don't worry, if that happens, you can easily restart the game. Also, in this version of the code, everything progresses a little too fast, but you can easily slow it down or speed up in the code, depending on your preference. That's all for today. If you liked the video, please smash the hype button so this can reach more people. Let me know in the comments what you want to see in next episode and make sure to check out my other project videos. Until next time, bye.